Well, here we go. This guy just had a crew swap, and I'm not sure if it's an outbound crew or a switch crew, leaving a almost dead on time crew. Didn't bring my scanner to listen. Anyway, they're coming in on yard track 2. Sorry, mosquitoes are getting thick. Anyway, standing here behind a friend of mine's business and watching the action. It's like we got an H1 GE in the front. That'll be nice. Let's see what it is. .997 has been crawling out here for a while. 987. Nice thunderheads in the distance. Or being green. Most of the cars either on the switch or on the quantified. It's always fun. We're a little noisy, Will. Another noisy one. I'm not sure I see a DPU on the rear. Like watching them wiggle around in front of the Quonset hut. Way past the depot. Way past the depot. Changed crews at that end down there in the car. No, there's no DPU on this one. Oh, they're going to stop it. That's a point.
It made me drop.
Yep. Wear some brake squeal shortly. Nice BN. Damn boy. Boy, that's a real hard slam. Oh, they gave him a little tug, stretched it out. Maybe they're just going to pull off and keep going west. It looks that way, don't it? Yep. Brakes are off. There they go. Well, there you have it. A weird sense of computer. Main's open. They went over on 2-track to leave town after they changed crews on the east end. Goofy.